Hey, what's up, guys? Mark from Ask the Pool Guy. I just had an interesting issue. So, kind of hard to see in the into this little bit of a hole. This is a Q360 by BlueSquare, and I was having an issue with the zones not changing. So, I got a flashlight in there. So that's what it looks like. And so what I did was I pulled out the propeller as well as the gear set. Now anytime I've come across the issue of the it not changing zones to each of those different lines, it's been one of these gears being sheared off down at the bottom, and then you got these little forget these U's, I'm drawing a blank on the name of them. Anyways, you pop them out and you can pull out a bunch of gears and replace the bad ones, or you can just get a new gear set. Anyways, so anytime I've ever had an issue with a zone not changing, it's been either due to that, or there's teeth on the inside of the manifold where I'll get a buildup due to really hard water. But this is the first time where, if we look the propeller here, it's kind of hard to see, but it's sheared a little bit at the bottom, and this is the new one. It's got a little more depth to it, and what was happening was, as this was spinning around, it was raising above the gears. The gears weren't actually spinning, just the propeller was. But then I put in the new one, and you know, it spins the whole zone fine, or the gears fine. So the issue was, everything seemed like it was working, but once I sent the water through, the propeller would lift up a little bit off the gear set, so the gears wouldn't be moving and be stuck in a single zone. So by switching the propeller, it's got a little bit longer teeth, so it could still keep the gears engaged and be able to switch zones. So if your Q360 isn't changing zones, then this could be the case. First time I've come across this, but just something to look for if you have issues.